Hello, creators! In this straightforward guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to download and install Adobe Creative Cloud on your PC, Mac, or laptop, entirely free, using Adobe's official trial offer. Begin by clicking the trusted link provided in the description below. It will take you straight to Adobe's official site, where you can initiate a free 7-day trial of Creative Cloud. This trial gives you full access to all Adobe apps, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and many more. During the registration process, Adobe may offer a complimentary trial of Adobe stock. Accepting this offer provides 10 premium assets, images, templates, and more, which you can keep even if you cancel the stock trial before the 7 days are up. To continue, either sign in with an existing Adobe ID or create a new one. A payment method will be required to activate the trial, but rest assured, no charges will be made as long as you cancel before the end of the trial period. Setting a reminder is always a smart idea. Once your account is ready, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This hub allows you to manage and install any Adobe software included in the plan. After installation, launch the app, browse the available programs, and install the ones you need. At this point, Adobe Creative Cloud is fully set up and ready for use. And it's all free for 7 days. This is an exciting opportunity to test out Adobe's professional tools for design, video editing, web development, and more, without any initial cost. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring everything Creative Cloud has to offer.